Masvingo province has a history of resistance. In 2017, the province rejected Mugabe's plan to rule until from the grave. Now the people of Masvingo are rejecting CAP 3 and calling for either a referendum or its withdrawal. Tsarabina mashoko kudai kupangwa nechizi Masvingo province. Endorses VP Chiwenga for president is Cyclone Chiwenga becomes a household topic. Subscribe or like on the bio icon. Tip down number brand across social media platforms. A consistent message is coming through. Masvingo is for Chiwenga, and we want him to be our next president. Crucially, they are not calling for President Mnangagwa to be removed before his term ends. Their position is that he should complete his term and then Vice President Chiwenga should take over. According to reports, some ZANU-PF provincial officials are trying to silence dissent on CAP 3. There are claims they are threatening WhatsApp groups admins and ordering them to remove anyone discussing Chiwenga. The result, locals say, is that some groups have emptied out because Masvingo stands with Chiwenga. Bibi Chiwenga was recently in Uganda, sent by President Mnangagwa to represent Zimbabwe at the inauguration of Yoweri Museveni. Some observers noted that he did not publicly congratulate Museveni, and they interpret this as a signal that Chiwenga's priority is with the people. Like it or not, the sentiment on the ground is clear. In Masvingo, support for Chiwenga is visible in beer halls, snooker rooms, football stadiums, ball queues, and churches. Everywhere you go, people are talking about their belief in Chiwenga. Toma developments are kupangwa in the comment section. Able to do on the page. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.